Today's adventure begins Tuesday, December 23rd, Christmas Eve, 2025. We're here at Newcastle. We're going to have a look around the Christmas market, some of the decor, and just take in some of the festive spirit. Good evening, everybody. Terry the Tracker here, and I'm inviting you to join me. Shall you? Now, for those of you who frequent YouTube, which you must do because you're on this channel right now watching this, you will recognize that as Adam the Woo's intro. I've had a bad day today. Learned of Adam's passing this morning. He passed away yesterday, I believe, on Monday, and yeah, it kind of hit me hard this morning. And then about 5 minutes later, I learned that a family friend had passed away also. So I'm not having a very good day today. I thought I would honour Adam by using his intro on this video. And maybe I'm going to add some Adam flair to this video. I don't know. We'll see. Anywho, yeah. Don't know what to say. It may be subdued. As you can see here, lots of construction currently on Northumberland Street. You would think that on the busiest time of year they wouldn't do construction on the busiest shopping street in Newcastle. And there's the famous Phoenix window, which we'll go have a look at later when the crowds have died down a bit. That's what I thought too. Anywho, that is the famous Phoenix building. And you can see Santa Claus on the roof. Nice stall with fudge. I will be going back for some of that fudge, but right now, looking at these personalised Christmas decorations. Here we have one of my favourite cheese. I could stand there and eat all that. So here we have the North Pole Terrace, which they've built up there, and you can rent out some igloos to have drinks and keep it warm. And somewhere to get your drinks from, to drink up there. So I'm going to head down this way first, where all the food vendors are. And it doesn't seem to be as many this year. If you can hear me over the live singers, the Moose and Vert bar is back. It's cool in there. Me and Emma went in there the other night for something to drink. Didn't film it, I just wanted a night out with no video. So this huge line is for the crumbling, which is deconstructed crumbles. And of course, one of my favourites is Acropolis. The Greek food here is absolutely fantastic. Now, I'm not just saying that because he's actually sponsored a couple of videos. I'm saying it because it genuinely is fantastic. Great North Pizza Company. Fancy having to shift that big oven. Wow. Crispy duck and loaded fries. I guess they do crispy duck and loaded fries. And of course, once you've ate all that, there's no like a good crepe afterwards. I said crepe. There really does seem like a lack of stalls this year. There's not as many as usual. And I can't see the big bratwurst one. Moonshine. Local photography. There's a few empty ones as well. More local photography. Matthew. A closed one. An empty one. Yeah. Normally in this big empty space here, you would have the big bratwurst one, the one that like is really, really high, goes up there and all lit up and spins. But yeah, not here this year. Churros, Yorkshire pudding wraps. We had those at the Northern Lights. So this one is cheesecake on a stick. Huh? Never seen this one before. Gonna have to try this one right here. Cheers, thank you. So I went for the Dubai Lux, and I'm not sure how I'm going to eat this. I may have to do it off camera and tell you all about it afterwards. So I've only got two hands and holding the camera and holding this. Yeah, you understand. I have to say that is absolutely delicious. Whether or not I can eat a whole one, I don't know. We'll see, but I'll let you know in a minute. So almost finished it, but not quite. Dang. So I'm going to head down the road to the other part of the market where they have a big wheel, a Ferris wheel, and a merry-go-round. Another drinks hut. Shrunken street food, loaded chips, gourmet burgers, and Dippin' Donuts. So there's this teepee here, and this is called Santa Stories. So obviously, as you can hear, you may not be able to hear because it's quite quiet. Santa's in there telling the kids some stories. Some photo ops. Fudge and confectionery. And over here we have a tuck shop selling more sweeties and stuff like that, and tables, and they'll show festive movies for you to sit and watch for free. And the same that was at Northern Lights, there's Marshmallow Land, where they have the little fires where you can buy your marshmallows and toast them. There goes the Ferris wheel. Another Adam the Woo reference. And that's about it for this side of the market. So if you look down here, that's the other part where we were before, and that's where we're heading back down to. There's no stalls on the front like there used to be. Strange. So I went back to the fudge packers and got myself some fudge. So I opted to get some loaded duck fries. Something a little bit different for me this year because I normally go to the Greek, but I did go to the Greek last night when I came and I didn't film. So there you go, I'm trying something different. Now I'm struggling to find somewhere to rest upon. There's no tables around. I was going to use one of those blocks up this back lane, but somebody had vomited over it. Let's hope they didn't vomit from eating these. Well, I've had my first couple of bites and very nice, but very, very heavy on the spring onions, or as Adam and my American friends would call it, scallions. Now this time I didn't opt for a piping hot caffeinated beverage. This time I opted for an ice cold carbonated beverage. Look at these projections down here. Wow. Cool. I don't know what they're for or what they signify, but they're cool nonetheless. Here's another one. All you can take with you is that which you gave away. Huh. Keep the change, you filthy animal. This is my house, I have to defend it. I made my family disappear. Home Alone. Movie reference. And why the movie quotes? Well, we're outside of an old-fashioned cinema, NE1. As the bells toll. And apparently I shouldn't be nomadic. Time to leave the market and head to Fenwick Window and have a look at the festive scenes within. This year's theme, the Christmas Carol, Mr. Scrooge. That ghost effect is awesome. That ghost hair is going to set fire to the wreath. Not really, it's not real fire. Here we're flying over London with the ghost of Christmas future, otherwise known as death. There's Mrs. Scrooge after waking up the next morning realising he's not dead.
Yes, we did, but there was too much of a hunt for crepes.
So I'm going to head back up the torn up Northumberland Street, back towards Little Lula, the camper van. And there is the famous Eldon Square Christmas countdown. And as you can see, 2 sleeps till Christmas. Well, there you have it. We are back in Little Lula, the camper van, which isn't quite like the one that Adam used to live in. Big Marge. Anywho, I hope you enjoyed this little festive look at the festivities. How many times can I say festive in one sentence? Anywho, I'm glad you've came along this far. And if you have made it this far, please hit like, comment, share, do all that good stuff. I hope you enjoyed this little homage to Adam the Woo, trying to do it in his style. I'm not going to continue to do that. I may add in little sprinkles now and again, as I have done in the past. The vlog is. See you in the next one. Over.